And so welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. This is Lax Gaming again. So for today's video, it is all about the Lord 9 Infinite Class Creators Program. So napakaganda nitong program na ginawa ni Lord 9, no? Ayan, so etong program nito ay para sa mga hindi lang para sa mga malalaking content creators na, but also for those aspirants or sa mga small content creators na nag-uumpisa pa lang. Ayan, so ito na yung pagkakataon natin to take a part on it, no? So sobrang dali lang naman or madali lang naman yung requirements nila sa pag-a-apply nito creators program na to. I actually applied it and natanggap na po or na-approve na yung application natin, and isa na tayo sa mga content creator nito, Lord 9 Infinite Class. So ano nga ba yung gagawin natin para makapag-apply dito sa creators program ni Lord 9, no? So punta lang tayo dito sa official website nila, Stove official website about creators program ni Lord 9, no? And get exclusive resources to support your content creation. Ayan, bibigyan lahat ng makakapasok or ma-approve bilang isang content creator ay bibigyan ng resources to approve para ma-support yung ating contents. So, application period is nung June 26 pa, no? Ayan, so medyo matagal-tagal na siya nag-start. Sa mga hindi naman mapapalad na matanggap this cycle, no? Pwede pa kayo mag-apply next cycle nila. So, application requirements, you just only need to own and actively manage a channel with at least 100 subscribers. Yan, so sobrang konti lang nun guys, 100 subscribers lang hinihingi nila or followers para makapag-submit ka ng application. So application field, syempre video, image, then text. So gagawa ka lang syempre ng mga video contents about Lord 9. So the activity details, create content once a week. So at least once a week lang hinihingi nila na paggagawa mo ng content about Lord 9. So creators benefits, you will receive monthly rewards to support your content creations. Ayan, so magkakaroon tayo ng monthly rewards. No, bibigyan tayo ng parang monthly rewards or parang salary na din yun, guys. Ayan, pag tayo ay naaprubahan bilang isang content creator ni Lord 9. So, a special mission participation guide, a mission event prepared exclusively for Lord 9 creators only. And so everyone who creates mission content will receive a variety of growth support rewards, and outstanding content will be featured in-game notice to reach more players. Ayan, so this event is only available to those selected as official Lord 9 creators. So this is the pre-launch mission event. So andyan naman guys, nakasulat kung ano yung mga pre-launch mission event, which is pwede nating salihan na may chance tong makakuha guys, no? Pagka ay napili or nanalo tayo dito sa mga missions na to, no? Meron tayong makukuhang reward syempre na malaki-laki kahit pa paano. So event period until July 12, Saturday. So pre-launch mission reward. And so for each mission completed during the event, you will receive a reward package worth approximately 100,000 Korean won or nagkakahalaga ng 4,111 pesos. Ayan, so all creators participating in the program may complete up to 3 missions. So kung 3 mission yung makukomplete natin, syempre magkakaroon tayo ng 300,000 Korean won. So creator mission reward details. Ayan, so 5,000 diamond. Ayan, pangsama ng avatar and mount gear. Ayan, so ayun, so yan lang guys, no? Ayan, so habang hindi pa huli, at pwede pang mag-apply. Tumatanggap pa naman sila ng mga application for those content creators, no, na gustong mag-participate about this program. Pwede pa po tayong humabol and pwede pa tayong sumali. So hindi pa naman ang huli ang lahat. So yun lang guys, no? Ito na yung pagkakataon natin, then grab na natin to. So I think that's all for today's video guys, no? Ayan, and kita-kits ulit sa susunod na video natin, and kung hindi ka pa subscriber, please click the subscribe button. That's all guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.